Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am here because I wanted to share with you that Spellbinders is actually having some markdowns and savings. Now I just came on here just to see what's going on, and I was actually checking out both the New Year's More Savings, which has up to 50% off, and then just now I was checking out the new clearance markdown, and it says it's up to 70% off. And they have some really good deals, you guys. I'm going to have the link to both of these sales in the description box so you can check it out. And yeah, so for example, they have this is the Amazing Paper Grace die that is 50% off. They have this set of dies as well. I don't know if you saw in the beginning, they have these die cuts which are super cute for only $250. That's amazing price. Or unless you want the whole entire collection, which it's a card kit. It comes with a lot of stuff for $27. What else? What else? I really don't buy stamps because I just feel that I'm not that great at stamping. I thought this was kind of interesting. This is a mailbox. Actually, let me go ahead and open it up. And look how cute that mailbox is. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. It's always really nice to look at the samples that they have. Oh, that is so beautiful. I love it. So you can get an idea of what this die set is capable of creating. And so, of course, Valentine's is, a couple months away. Not even a couple months, less, like a month and a little bit over a month. So these are the dies. I was checking them out and I thought I'd let you know in case you're interested. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, look at this, you guys. Now this, you can make it into a 3D or you can make it flat, as you can see here. And it says limited quantity. But look at this. I was looking, oh my gosh, whoever did this made a box and then added in the front the telephone. Oh my goodness, I thought that was adorable. Oh my gosh, that's a gift card. I love it. Look at that, you guys. I think it's so cute. You can make it flat. It doesn't have to be 3D, or you can make it 3D if you like. Oh my goodness. So as you can see, you can do this into a shaker. Yeah, I'm gonna add that to my cart. And then I also saw a Halloween one, a dice set. Oh, I don't know if it was here or in the other. They also have this one. No, oh no, this is a typewriter. I saw Halloween die set and I liked it because I don't have a lot of Halloween stuff. You know what? Let me go to the other one, the other sale, just to show you really quick what I liked. I only saw like the first page, to be honest with you. Oh my gosh, you guys have to get this tool. Actually, I'm gonna get one too because the one I have is from like the beginning of time when they first brought it out. Mine is blue, and this is an amazing tool, you guys. I absolutely love it. Now, this brush, you can use it for those intricate dies. After you run your die through the machine, you know how sometimes those papers, they don't fall off of the die. Well, you brush it onto your die and they come off. It also has this tip. You can also use that to help with your dies. See how this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. I love this tool. This tool is a must have. So if you don't have this, you absolutely need it. There is a die set that I saw. I've always been interested in these cutting mats. Where is it? What is this? This is a magnetic pickup tool. What? I see so many new things, you guys. I've been away from crafting for a while, and do I need this? Okay, I'm gonna add it to my cart and I'll look at it later. Um, oh my gosh, where did I see that die set? And then I remember that I even saw some slim cards. Okay, you guys, now these, I know they're just basic shapes, but I highly recommend that if you don't have any basic shapes, circles, squares, stars, you absolutely need that. They are very useful. I use them all the time, and I'm glad that I invested money in those. What is this? Oh, this is a scoring tool. This is, I'm guessing this is the 12 by 12. I absolutely love that. These are so cute. I love that they come out with the add-ons. So if you have the car, this is the truck, and this is the car, I believe. This is like the add-on. Anyways, but if you have the car, you can just purchase those, and they serve as add-ons. What's this? These are sentiment. Oh, that's kind of cute. Oh my gosh, am I not? Where did I see? Unless it's sold out already. Literally, I had. Oh, here it is. This one right here. I thought this was a really good deal. This is only for $4. And look how cute that is. It's just a couple of dies, you guys. But the way that they show the sample, I love it. I love what they did. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, and they used that card. That is so cute. Yeah, I'm sold. So be spooky. That is so cute. And then I remember I saw some slim cards. So, I mean, some slimline dies. I saw this one. I already have this one, and it's beautiful. So you should check them out. You should check them out. Now, these are A2 matting basic A and basic B. So these coordinate together. These are just basic shapes, you guys. I honestly think this is, no matter how of a beginner crafter you are or experienced crafter, everyone should have these basic shapes. This is a replacement brush. Oh, that's interesting. I have mine. Like I said, I purchased mine like when it first came out, maybe like 10 years ago or less. And my brush is still good, to be honest with you. The problem is, the reason why I want to buy a new one is because I actually broke the little tip of the other end of the tool. I broke it. And this is really cute too. Oh, see, there's a lot of slimline dies. Oh no, this is a mini. I don't care for the minis, to be honest with you. And this is a die. Let's see. Oh, that is so cute. I love the way they used it. And that is $7.50. Oh, that's good to know that I'm almost there. I think I have this one. Yeah, I have that one already. I just don't use it enough. But yeah, you guys. Ooh, what's this one? What kind of edge that one have? Let's see. Oh, that's cute. I love the way they did that. Oh, that's beautiful. Imagine if you were to add like some little pearls in each one. Oh, that would look beautiful. Anyways, you guys, so I just wanted to come on here and share with you these great deals that they have right now. In case you haven't seen it, I don't want you guys to miss out. I'll have a direct link for both of these, for the New Year's and for the new clearance markdown that they have that says up to 70% off. Oh my god, these ones are beautiful. I haven't seen these, you guys. Oh, that is so beautiful. Anyways, so I'm gonna continue shopping and go ahead and use the links that I have provided for you. And they are affiliate links, you guys. It's the price is still gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna change. Sorry, it's just that I'm looking through through the items, and I honestly want one. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you don't have this one, you have to get it. I have this one. I actually worked with this one. Was it last year or the year before? The what you can make with this face, it's absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, I loved working with this die set. Um, look how cute. I love it. I would add it to my cart, but I already have this die set. I love it. And then you don't have to use it just for Christmas time. You can also use it for spring. And spring is just around the corner. Anyway, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. And like I said, I'm going to have in the description box the 2 links. They are affiliate links, and if you plan on purchasing anything, I appreciate if you use my links. Thank you, and I hope you all have an amazing weekend and Happy New Year's. Bye, everyone.